Hey there, welcome back to HeartTalks, your go-to channel for relationship advice. In today's video, we'll be tackling a topic that many of us have experienced at some point in our lives: how to deal with a breakup and move on. Whether you're fresh out of a breakup or still struggling with the aftermath, we've got you covered. So grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's dive right in. How to deal with a breakup and move on. Breaking up is never easy, but it's important to remember that healing and moving on is possible. Here are some key steps to help you navigate through this challenging time. Allow yourself to grieve. It's okay to feel sad, angry, or confused after a breakup. Give yourself permission to experience these emotions and take the time to process your feelings. Cry if you need to. Talk to a trusted friend or family member, or even consider seeking professional support. Cut off contact. While it may be tempting to stay in touch with your ex, it's crucial to create some space and distance. Unfriend, unfollow, and block them on social media to avoid constant reminders. This will give you the space you need to heal and focus on yourself. Focus on self-care. Prioritize your well-being during this time. Engage in activities that bring you joy and help you relax. Take up a new hobby, pamper yourself with a spa day, or hit the gym. Remember, self-care is not selfish, it's essential for your healing process. Reflect and learn. Use this opportunity to reflect on the relationship and learn from it. Identify any patterns or behaviors that may have contributed to the breakup and work on personal growth. Take the time to rediscover who you are as an individual and what you want from future relationships. Surround yourself with support. Reach out to friends and family who can provide a listening ear and offer guidance. Join support groups or consider therapy if you feel you need professional assistance. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. Having a support system can make a world of difference. Set new goals and embrace new experiences. Use this period as a chance to set new goals and focus on your personal growth. Explore new hobbies, travel to new places, or take up a challenging project. Embracing new experiences can help you rediscover your passions and create a fulfilling life outside of the relationship. Be patient and give yourself time. Healing takes time, and everyone's journey is unique. Be patient with yourself and understand that moving on is a process. Some days will be harder than others, but with time, the pain will lessen, and you'll find yourself feeling stronger and more optimistic about the future. Remember, you're not alone. Remember, dear viewers, going through a breakup can be tough, but you have the strength within you to heal and move on. Surround yourself with love, focus on self-care, and take it one day at a time. And always remember, HeartTalks is here to support you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more relationship advice and helpful tips. And as always, feel free to leave any comments or questions below. Until next time, take care.